everyone, let's talk about how to fix Kayak sign-in error. So to fix this issue, you can start by fixing the mobile app. If the issue is in your mobile app itself, just open your Kayak app. Then you find some kind of issue going on with the app. Just swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again completely to close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find Kayak. And if you see an update option available here, just tap an update to get the latest version. Now, if the app is deeply bugged, just delete it and reinstall it to clear out temporary files. Now, if it is an account level issues, you can just reset the password. If you suspect an incorrect password or have trouble authenticating, use the Kayak Forgot Password utility to trigger a secured reset link. You can also use the third-party providers if you're signing in via Google, Apple, or Facebook. Make sure that your linked email address hasn't changed or isn't experiencing an API timeout. Just try logging in directly with your email and password instead. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.